Welcome to day 3. We have 5 Luo words a day. Abanga. Abanga. Abanga means dry or without an escort. For example, when eating a sandwich without a drink. In a sentence, you can say, Achamo makati abanga, or abango makati. So abanga, when you take a sandwich without anything to drink, you say achamo abanga. Abanga. Abang tiang. Abang tiang. This is a harvest of tubers or something like that has been set aside to ripen. If you harvest and leave it at the side so that it gets ripe, you say it is abang tiang. Abang tiang. Abang tiang. Abara. Abara is an adjective. It's bullying or a quarrelsome attitude. Someone who is moody, quarrelsome, and a bully would be called abara. 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 Abawa. Abawa. Abawa is a patch on a pant or a part of a cloth. So, like in this picture, this would be called abawa. That patch is called abawa. Abawa mar nanga. Abawa mar nanga. Abawa mar nanga. And the last one today is a beach. A beach. A beach means 5. A beach. So some derivatives, for example, mar a beach means the 5th one. Mar a beach. Mar a beach. Teach a beach. That is Friday. Teach a beach. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you tomorrow.